Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you an awesome product that I use to get my grass green. I live here in Seattle where we get a lot of rain, so I have really green grass in the fall, winter, and spring. But in the summer, when it's like 80 like it is right now, this dries out and just looks pretty dead. And I just get tired of having to water my lawn with a sprinkler system and get out there every day or do weed and feed. So I just like to graffiti my lawn with this paint. It's non-toxic, safe for pets, animals, people, adults, children, all that stuff. I'll put a link below to where you can purchase it on Amazon. It's like 24 bucks, and one of these is a concentrate. Usually you can get like 3 gallons. You need to use a garden sprayer like I'm going to be doing, but covers about 1,000 square feet, so let's jump right into it. So there's different shades you can do. For a lighter color, you can do 6 to 8 ounces of this concentrate, or for a darker color, use 9 to 12. I usually use 10 ounces because it's a 32 fluid ounce quart, so you usually get 3 gallons per one of these, which is enough to do my entire front lawn. All right, and then here are the results. This is about 1.5 gallons of usage, or about 15 ounces of paint. I can go darker if I'd like, but I kind of like it this shade where it doesn't look too artificial. Speaking of artificial, they probably get a lot of hate doing this, especially from lawn enthusiasts that love to go out there and water their lawn every day. And there is something to be said for that, but since we only have 2 months of kind of brown grass, I find grass paint gets me through the summer, saves a little bit of water, saves time, and it looks great. So if you'd like some more information on this, I'll put a link below to where you can purchase it on Amazon. Hope you found this video somewhat entertaining, and we'll see you in the next video.